Oh my God, we're doing it again. Lord have mercy. That's the washing machine you just heard. Okay. So I come in the utility room and I'm going to take all those, I don't know, 23 towels out of the wash machine and put them in the dryer. And I come in here and I have, yeah, error message. Lovely. Okay. So I turned it off and the door unlocked. Thought, okay, well, it's fine. I'll just put them in the dryer. They're all right. No. My whole floor floated as soon as I opened the door. Now I got a sock stuck in the door and it's leaking and I gotta open it up. This is gonna be fun. Oh God. Let's just do it. Oh, I forgot I'm supposed to be sideways. This is gonna be great. Like, it's gonna fluid again. All my towels are in the washing machine. I don't have any more to put on the floor. Oh, it's locked. Crap. Oh my God. That was great. Great.
Very great.
Hey, babe, I need some towels. You're going to have to keep a couple of those towels or we're going to have no towels to get a shower.
We got 2 more. Do I need to keep 1 more?
Is there anything in here? I'm not using the blankets.
Nope. Alright, nobody mess with the one on the freezer.
It's funny. It's not funny, but it's funny. I don't know what to do. Oh my gosh. We'll see. Just fill her up back with water again. All I want to do is wash clothes. Just wash clothes so I can cook supper. I'll deal with that tomorrow.